I'm not saying what Oh man. Huh? You seen that buzz?
Well, you had it.
I don't know. What happened in the prescription?
I did. How can I do it? But I did.
I didn't have a lot of
Dogs are eating their bones now.
I didn't say what nose avenue.
Yeah, Dog Wet Nose Avenue. I have wet nose for coughing. Well, they have wet noses. Oh, what the fuck? You going over here? Well, Tookie's picking up the rest to do whatever shit. The old dog is picking up the shit. Not damn thing.
Honey,
Trying to get more mod solution. I can get this today.
she is coming.
I mopped like a week ago. I should have mopped more, but I
She even make
used it
sure
up.
of everything.
I'll mop again.
Babe. Shay,
Yes.
she makes sure of everything.
That's unfunny.
Like he said.
Yes.
Oh,
I'll work today. Wet Nose Avenue. That's all it is right now with these dogs. They're all healthy. So they have wet noses. That's what I call it that. One's eating a lot, one's not. One ate a lot. No. I put dog food for down for them too. A bit of fresh water.
I didn't say doggy what nose avenue.
Oh yeah, well that's what it is. Jamaica when he loves you.
I love you, Jamaica.
Doogie, he sleeps with us at night, so.
Oh, I love you.
He's wet nose too.
Toby.
He's wet nose because of my legs.
Why is Toby again?
Under the covers.
He wants to sit up here and let the floor there.
No, but the other guy mad.
Now we go one sort of. That's our nuts. Yep, I'm king of little.
No, he is.
Sure.
Oh, I have to be at work at 1:15. Oh, crap. I made this little video. I don't care how long it is.